All right, good morning to y'all. 648 here. We do have some fog. The fog has been developing. Spillway has fog at the moment. This is what the quarter looks like coming in off the river. Excuse me, there's Jackson Square. Further back off the quarter, you don't have any big problems, but the closer you get to the river there, you do have some dense fog. Excuse me. Now, the dense fog all across the South Shore at this point. Same thing Belle Chase and in Houma. The North Shore is doing fine, but if you are crossing the Spillway, I-55, all those spots, you're going to be slowed down. Now, today's going to be warm, high of 80 degrees with a chance for a couple of showers. I don't think we're going to see a lot of rain today, but you will likely see at least a couple of showers. Now, tomorrow, we are calling for a weather impact alert Wednesday afternoon into Wednesday evening. We're expecting some heavy rain. Strong storms with gusty winds and even an isolated tornado can't be ruled out. Weather alerts are what you need tomorrow as those storms do blow on through. So here's today. Notice not a whole lot, just a couple of showers. Bigger storms to our northwest will race across Mississippi and just skirt the northern parts of our area. So if you're in Washington Parish or northern Tangi or Pearl River County, you have a higher chance of rain later this afternoon and evening. On Wednesday, we wake up, couple showers. Bigger storms to our north tomorrow morning, but once we get into Wednesday afternoon, scattered storms pop up. That's just the beginning. More scattered storms into Wednesday evening. Here we are at 11 o'clock, and we still have some strong storms around the region. This will all clear out by Thursday morning, and Thursday will be quieter. So here's that risk for severe weather. It's not off the charts, but it's a level 2 on the North Shore, level 1 on the South Shore. I don't ever get hung up on these dividing lines. It just shows you that we are expecting a greater chance of severe storms the further north you get. A lesser chance the further south you get, but everyone does have a chance of maybe seeing some damaging winds or an isolated tornado. Rainfall totals, many of us don't see flooding, but isolated street flooding is definitely a possibility. There will be some narrow corridors of 2 to 4 inches of rain, and it's been a while since we've had that problem. Now, once we get into the weekend, another round of storms blows in. Still too early to say the timing of this, but it would likely be later Saturday. Now, whether that's during or after the parades, we don't know yet, and so we've got to watch that closely. And with that cold front, there's also a risk for some strong storms. After that, look how chilly it gets. Sunday, highs are in the 50s, and then Monday morning, we're waking up with a light freeze potential on the North Shore and in the upper 30s and low 40s on the South Shore. Not done with the winter chill just yet. Our marine forecast, it will be choppy tomorrow as those winds pick up and wind switch directions on Thursday. Here's a look at your tides. High tides, those are going to happen late tonight.